Salutations. Here's the hole whose wall I want to thicken. In this case it's for a heat set insert, but this would work just as well for a hole that you would need to tap or maybe bore out to a specific diameter. So here's the problem. I have my wall set to 3 shells, which is fine for the rest of the print, but it does not give me thick enough walls around the hole itself for my purposes. So I need to thicken just those walls. If I increase the number of shells, that really lengthens my print. Here's how I do it. I'm going to go to my surface tools in Fusion. I'm going to go to create and offset a surface. This will work in pretty much any CAD program. I'm just using Fusion because it's what I have. So I'm now going to offset the surface of the hole of the wall I want to thicken, negative my shell thickness. So my nozzle is 0.4 millimeters, 3 shells, so that's negative 1.2 millimeters. Operation new body, so it will create a new surface right here. So it's inside of my body right now. Next thing, I want to go to create thicken with that surface selected. Thicken it only, again, negative 0.01 millimeters, very little, but the crucial thing is to select cut as the operation, so that instead of creating a new body, it's actually creating a small void around that wall. So this will cause your slicer to create additional walls on either side of this new cut. So we're going to save out this STL, replace the old one, go back to our slicer, reload, reslice, and here we go. Now I have double wall thickness around just that hole, so now it'll be perfect for putting my heat set insert into and for tapping and other similar operations.